What happens to your energy, blood flow, and masculinity when you use baking soda the wrong way after 50? Men over 50, I need you to pay attention. Did you know that something as simple as using baking soda alone could be silently destroying your energy, slowing your blood flow, and killing your intimate vitality? You might think you're taking control of your health, but the truth is, most men are doing it all wrong. Here's a number to chew on. Studies suggest that poor nitric oxide activity, the very molecule that controls blood vessel dilation, can drop by up to 30% in men over 50. That's not small. That's the difference between feeling strong and vital or sluggish and frustrated in your body and in your bedroom. Stay with me because by minute 3, I'll reveal a simple kitchen solution that's backed by science, real-life experience, and a few overlooked details most doctors never mention. Trust me, the difference is staggering. The problem with baking soda alone. Let's break it down. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is an alkali. It can neutralize acid in your body, but here's the kicker. As men age, our cells slowly become more acidic. This isn't just a minor thing, it's like having a high-performance engine clogged with grime. Nitric oxide? No, the molecule responsible for expanding blood vessels and boosting circulation is extremely sensitive to acidity. In an acidic environment, no can't survive. It's like asking a champion swimmer to perform in quicksand. This is why many men over 50 feel flat energy, low stamina, and underperforming intimate health despite doing everything right. Baking soda alone, it's like bringing a water pistol to a wildfire. It's a start, but it's nowhere near enough to make a meaningful change. One gentleman I know in his late 60s tried baking soda religiously. He followed all the advice he could find online, yet he ended up more frustrated than ever. He felt like he was failing himself, losing confidence and questioning whether it was even possible to feel that spark again. The missing link: citric acid. Here, where most men miss the secret, baking soda's true power emerges only when paired with its perfect partner, citric acid. Citric acid is common, safe, and inexpensive, found in cooking, candy, and even fizzy drinks. When baking soda meets citric acid in water, they react, fizz, and form sodium citrate. Sodium citrate is a real game changer for men over 50. 1. Protects nitric oxide, keeps your NO levels intact so blood vessels can dilate properly. 2. Improves red blood cell flow, makes blood cells more flexible, reducing strain on the heart and optimizing circulation. 3. Combats oxidative stress, acts as an antioxidant, reducing rust inside your blood vessels. Back to my patient in his 60s. Once we introduced the baking soda plus citric acid mix in the right proportion, his energy shot up, stamina returned, and he said he felt a masculine vitality he hadn't experienced in decades. This wasn't magic, it was consistent, science-based improvement. The science behind sodium citrate. You might be thinking, is there proof this works? Absolutely. Clinical studies on sodium citrate and related alkali combinations show measurable improvements in vascular function. For example, research published in the Journal of Applied Physiology indicates that sodium citrate supplementation improves blood buffering capacity, reduces oxidative stress, and supports endothelial function, the lining of your blood vessels critical for circulation. Think of it this way: your blood vessels are highways. Aging, acidity, and poor lifestyle choices are potholes and roadblocks. Sodium citrate acts like a maintenance crew, smoothing out the roads, reducing friction, and allowing blood to flow freely. The result? More energy, better stamina, and yes, firmer, more reliable erections. The golden ratio: how to do it right. This is where most men fail. It's not just about mixing baking soda and citric acid, it's about the ratio, the timing, and consistency. Step 1. The ratio. 2 parts baking soda to 1 part citric acid. Simple example: 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda plus 1/4 teaspoon citric acid. Mix in 6-8 ounces, 180-240 ml of water. Wait 5-10 seconds for the fizz to finish forming sodium citrate before drinking. Step 2. Timing. For maximum effect on energy and intimate performance, take this mixture 45-60 minutes before you need the blood flow boost. Best on an empty or semi-empty stomach, either 2 hours after eating or 30 minutes before a meal. Step 3. Consistency and lifestyle. Daily walks of 20 minutes, balanced nutrition, and quality sleep amplify the effects. Think of this mixture as a turbocharger, not a replacement for healthy living. Zinc, magnesium, and other supplements help, but they're backup, not the star player. Real-life example, transforming energy and vitality. Let me give you another real-world story. A patient in his early 70s had long given up on feeling alive. He had low energy, poor circulation, and intimacy issues. He tried every supplement and quick fix imaginable. We implemented this baking soda plus citric acid protocol combined with moderate walking and minor dietary adjustments. Within weeks, blood pressure normalized slightly, improving cardiovascular health. He reported waking up with more energy, better focus, and mood stability. Intimate performance improved, not magically but consistently. By week 6, he was laughing about how he'd almost given up on ever feeling like himself again. This is the reality. Small, science-based interventions combined with lifestyle produce profound, lasting results. A simple 7-day starter plan. If this feels overwhelming, here's an easy starter plan to get you going safely. Day 1-2, mix 1-2 tsp baking soda plus 1-4 tsp citric acid in water, 45 min before dinner. Day 3-4, add a 20-minute brisk walk daily. Day 5-7, go to bed 30 minutes earlier. It's simple, practical, and far more effective than chasing risky hacks or untested supplements. Key takeaways: wisdom over shortcuts. The real lesson here: true masculine vitality after 50 isn't about chasing magic bullets. It's about understanding your body, respecting chemistry, and showing up consistently. The baking soda plus citric acid mixture protects nitric oxide and improves blood flow. Timing and ratio are critical. Get it wrong and results won't appear. Combine with lifestyle improvements for maximum benefit. Most men who commit to this see real improvements in energy, stamina, circulation, and intimate performance within weeks to months. Remember, this mixture supports your body, it doesn't force it. Natural improvement is the goal, not instant miracles. Wrapping up, imagine the reward. Imagine waking up energized, confident, and feeling that spark you thought was gone forever. That's what's possible when you respect your body's chemistry and follow a simple, proven ritual. Comment below with one word: ritual, lifestyle, or confidence. Pick one to focus on first. Every choice starts a chain reaction. Small, consistent steps lead to lasting results. And remember, always talk to your doctor if you have kidney issues, heart conditions, or are on a restricted diet. Stay strong, stay confident, and reclaim your vitality. This isn't hype. This is science, experience, and real men feeling alive again.